Hello. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the simple process of setting up your token ring. This is an easy process that should take about 10 minutes. Let's unbox your token ring. First, you'll see a Read Me First page with important advice about how to get the best performance from your ring and how to avoid damaging it. Next, you'll find a cloth for cleaning your ring. Be sure to only use this cloth to clean the fingerprint sensor, as using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials on the sensor will damage it. You will also find the full user guide, which provides additional information beyond what is in this video. And of course, you will find your token ring. Below the ring cradle, you will find the charging cable. Before we start the setup process, let's charge your ring. Plug the charging cable into any USB-C charging port that provides constant power. You can also use the included USB-C to USB-A adapter to plug into other charging ports. Attach the connection point to the inside of your ring. The charging cable and the ring are keyed with tabs and grooves to ensure the connection points are aligned. Be certain to double-check this alignment, or your ring will not properly charge. A pulsing colored light or a solid green light from the LED means that your ring is properly connected and charging. When the LED shows a solid green light, indicating the battery is completely charged, you're ready to begin the setup process. To set up your ring, first search for Token Ring in your App Store or simply scan the QR code in the user guide. Download and open the app, then click Let's Get Started. Select your token ring in the menu, click the checkbox next to the privacy agreement, and click Continue. You'll see a quick explanation of the types of lights your ring will use to communicate with you. After clicking Next, you'll see an explanation of the gestures you'll use to select different ring functions. All of the gestures involve tapping the fingerprint sensor and touch-sensitive bezel on the top of the ring. These tap gestures include single tap, double tap, and hold. Once you're familiar with these gestures, click Got it. On the next screen, you can select whether you want to set up a new ring or pair with a ring that has already been registered. I'll cover pairing an already registered ring later in this video. For now, I'll select New Ring. After clicking Continue, the app will ask you to find your PIN. This 6-digit number is contained within the serial number located on the inside of the box for your token ring. It may also be engraved on the ring itself. Once you've located your serial number and PIN, click Got it. If it isn't already, connect your ring to the charger cable and plug it in. Also make sure your device's Bluetooth is on, then click Continue. When your ring appears in the menu, select it and click Connect. Tap your ring twice. The LED will show flashing red and blue lights, indicating that it is ready to connect to your device. Your device will ask for the PIN you found earlier. Type in your PIN and click Pair. Once your token ring is connected, click Next. At this point, you may get a message asking you to update your ring's firmware. To perform the update, click Let's Do It. The update may take a few minutes. Keep your ring connected to the charging cable and near your phone. When the update is complete, the ring LEDs will show a rainbow pattern. Once your ring is up to date, you can continue on to the next step. Now it's time to register your fingerprint. Disconnect the ring from the charging cable and wear it on whichever finger feels most comfortable. In the app, select the finger that you will be using to register your fingerprint. Note that the fingerprint you register should not be from the same finger on which you're wearing the ring. Click Scan your fingertip. The LED on your ring will show a solid white light indicating it is ready to register your fingerprint. Using the top quarter of your finger, press your fingertip to the fingerprint sensor on the top of the ring several times. On the app, a progress bar will advance with each press. Lift your finger off the sensor and change the position of your fingertip after each press so that the ring gets an accurate picture of the various parts of your fingerprint. This process may take a couple of minutes. Once your fingerprint is registered, the app will finalize the fingerprint template. This may take a few seconds. After successfully registering your fingerprint, click Pair My Ring to finish the pairing process. Congratulations, your token ring is ready to use. Next, I'll show you how to use different gestures to activate the different functions of your token ring. To check the ring's battery life, when it is not connected to the charging cable, tap the ring scanner once. The LED will display a red, yellow, or green light depending on the state of the battery. To use the ring for FIDO authentication, tap the sensor twice. After your ring displays a white light, press your registered finger to the sensor. A double green flash means that the authentication was accepted. A double red flash means the authentication failed. Double tap the sensor to try again. Once authenticated, the LED will pulse either purple, meaning the ring is in NFC mode, or blue, showing that it's in Bluetooth mode. To toggle from one connection type to the other, simply tap the sensor once. The ring will default to whichever protocol you used most recently. Most smartphones include NFC for authentication, while desktop computers typically use Bluetooth. However, desktops can also use NFC reader devices to access NFC protocols. We cover using the ring for Android, iOS, and Windows. Instructions for specific software can be found in the Token Ring app. To cancel any action, press and hold the sensor until the LEDs turn off. If you have any trouble with your token ring, you can use the app to check for updates, run diagnostics, or access our help page. You can also visit our website at tokenring.com for further assistance. To pair any already registered ring with an unpaired device, download and open the app on the new device and click through the steps until you get to the What's the State of Your Ring screen. Select Pair a Registered Ring. Next, authenticate your ring using the normal authentication procedure and make sure it is set to Bluetooth mode. Once your device finds your ring, select it and click Connect. The app will then prompt you to tap your ring twice. During the connection process, the app will also ask you to enter your ring's PIN. Once you've successfully paired the device, you can return to the home screen on the app. Congratulations, you've completed the setup of your token ring. We hope you enjoy having the next generation of multi-factor authentication at your fingertips.